Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Fogwing EAM Software. In today's video, we are going to see how we are going to use the contract feature in EAM Software. So from the left menu item, we can navigate to the contracts here, and this contract feature is also the part of CMMS software, but it has some limited feature, whereas in the EAM software, it has a lot of features within this contract module. So the contract feature helps, different organization if they have various vendors which are working for them, and each and every vendor would have a different types of contract. So all the information related to that contract will be stored into this particular um, feature here. So first here in the overview section, we are going to see the total contract value. So the total number of active contract and their sum value, which will be there into the total contract value. Then what are the different types of contracts that is active currently, and then the contract expiration. So which contract is going to expire in 60 days, that is also visible here. And the contract which are expiring in 30 days is available here. So if you view this particular contract, so the details related to contract, such as the contract value, the plant to which it belongs, and what is the type of the contract, then the different contract document which can be uploaded and view into this section here, and then which vendor this contracts belongs to and the duration. So all that detail is available here. Different line items which is required uh, for that particular vendor or contract is can also be added here by just clicking on this add line item, and then what all assets belong to this particular vendor is available here. So moving on into the contract detail, this is the dashboard of the contract where you are going to see the active contract, the total number of AMC, CMC, then other type of contracts. So all that is visible here into this section here. Then we have the closed contracts, contract which is terminated, expired, void, all that uh, contracts will be available here. Then we have the file section where different contracts document will be available. So from here you are going to view the different types of contracts here. So this is how you are going to use the contract feature in the EAM software here. Thank you for watching the video.